It was raining the night they abandoned him. The small brown dog stood on the side of the empty highway, his thin body trembling under the cold storm. Headlights faded into the distance, the same car that had once been his home. He didn't understand. Just hours ago, he was sitting happily in the back seat, tail wagging. Then suddenly the door opened, someone pushed him out, and the car sped away. He ran. He chased the car until his legs burned and his paws bled. But it was gone. That night, he waited. Cars passed. Thunder roared. The world moved on. But he didn't. By morning, the rain had stopped. The dog, later named Max, was still there. Hungry. Broken. Alone. 3 days passed. No food. No water. Just survival. On the 4th day, a small girl walking home from school noticed him. She stopped. While others ignored him, she didn't. Her name was Emma. Emma slowly walked toward him, holding half of her sandwich. Max growled softly, not in anger, but fear. Humans had hurt him before. But Emma didn't move away. "It's okay," she whispered. For the first time in days, someone's voice sounded kind. Max stepped forward. He ate gently from her hand. And from that moment, everything changed. Emma begged her mother to let the dog stay. Her family wasn't rich. They lived in a small apartment. But they had something more powerful than money, they had heart. They took him in. They bathed him. Fed him. Took him to the vet. The vet said something heartbreaking: Max had been mistreated. He had scars. Old injuries. Signs of neglect. But despite everything, he still wagged his tail. Max became Emma's shadow. He walked her to school. Waited for her outside. Slept near her bed. He wasn't just a dog anymore. He was family. 1 year later. Everything seemed perfect. Until the night everything almost ended. It was past midnight. The house was silent. Suddenly, smoke. A short circuit in the kitchen sparked a fire. Flames spread fast. Emma's parents were asleep. The smoke alarm failed. But Max smelled it. He jumped up instantly. Barking loudly. Running from room to room. He scratched Emma's door. Barked harder. She didn't wake up. The smoke grew thicker. Max did something no one expected. He ran straight into the burning kitchen, grabbed a burning cloth with his mouth, and dragged it away from the gas stove, preventing an explosion. Then he ran back and jumped on Emma's bed. He barked in her face. Finally, she woke up. She coughed. Saw the smoke. Screamed. Her parents rushed out. They escaped just seconds before flames covered the living room. Outside, firefighters arrived. The house was badly damaged. But the family was alive. Because of Max. The next day, the local news arrived. Abandoned dog saves family from fire. The same dog once left to die on a highway was now a hero. The story went viral. Millions watched the security footage showing Max running into the smoke. Donations poured in. People offered to buy the family a new house. And then something unexpected happened. The man who had abandoned Max saw the news. He recognized the dog. He went silent. The dog he had thrown away had more loyalty than he ever deserved. But when he tried to contact the family, Emma's father had only one response. "He's not yours anymore. He never deserved you." Months later, Max received a bravery medal from the local mayor. But he didn't understand medals. He only understood one thing. Love. The same world that once abandoned him now celebrated him. And every night, when Emma hugged him and whispered, "You're my hero," Max would close his eyes peacefully. Because